My number one goal for this new Supreme Court Justice, I've stated it publicly before the Judiciary Committee, I've told the President himself, let's stop having judges go on the Supreme Court. I wanted someone who had not worn the robe, someone that had a little common sense, separate and apart from the Supreme Court. Now, I know those justices have common sense, but they've worn those robes a long time, and I think it's good to get a fresh insight into what's going on in the world. Elena Kagan is a lawyer, a scholar, so respected because she knows the values of listening to all sides of an argument before making a judgment. In that sense, she's a good role model for her own confirmation process. Let's listen to what she has to say, to what those who know her have to say about her, and to the American people who demand that the Supreme Court puts the rights of people ahead of the wallets of corporate America. Now, my Republican colleagues, I've heard some in the media say, well, she's not experienced enough. Madam President, one of my favorite Supreme Court justices in recent years has been Sandra Day O'Connor. Not because she's a Republican, but because she was a good judge. I think one reason she was a good judge is she had no judicial experience. She had run for public office. She served in the legislature in Arizona. And that's why she could identify with many of the problems created by we legislators. And she could work her way through that. I think Solicitor General Kagan will bring a lot of those same views of these two Republicans to the bench. That is, she has fresh ideas. She's been out in the real world recently. I think she's going to be just a terrific addition to the Supreme Court.